Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. A big one from me at the end. So let's pick another song. You pick the song. Come on, you tell me. Which song shall we do this time? Hang on a minute. Okay, we've done. Which song shall we do this time? T W I T W I. A bit far, a bit too close. N K. Well, that's another K, backspace, that's it. Looking for the L, aren't we? Look. Looking for the L. Down, L. Now the E. Now the E. Push. Oh no, yeah, push. Twinkle, space. Space. And we're looking for the S. That's the next backspace, that's it. We need to go up. S. Ready? S. Keep going. Well, you've done the T, backspace, we haven't done the S yet. S. Yes. Yeah, I'll give you a bit of support if you want. Push when you get there, S. Looking for the T. That's right, we've done the S. Looking for the T. Keep going. You get there, push. T. A. Oh, where are you going? Looking for the A. Look at your keyboard. Down. Oh, that one's cute. Further down. Oh, no, we haven't finished yet, have we? So we're looking for the A. Push. And the R. That's it. So we're doing Twinkle Star again. Right then. Thank you for telling me. This time, shall we sing it? Really low. Oh, really quiet. Really low? Okay. And at the end of every sentence, this time we're going to do a tickle. Yeah. Yeah? Good. Twinkle, twinkle, little. Oh. That was a good one. Star, how I... Oh, we forgot to do the tickle. Little star. On the head. How I wonder what you... Oh. Arms up. Oh. Arms up at the end. They're not up. Oh. Thank you.